Yes, welcome. The topic is projection of straight lines on the subject engineering graphics applicable for students studying BTech first year. Please read the question. The front view of the line AB of length 70 mm is inclined at 30° to XY and measures 45 mm. The NDA is 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line and find the inclinations with HP and VP. Okay, so the data is written on the drawing sheet or on the marker board. The front view of the line AB, name of the line is AB, is written at here. Of length 70 mm, that means true length of the line. They're saying about the length of the line called true length. Okay, AB is the name of the line, is 70 mm, is inclined at 30° to XY. That is about the front view inclination they're saying in this part. Okay, the front view of the line AB is the name of the line of length 70 mm called true length and is inclined at 30° to XY. That is the front view inclination is given as 30°. It's denoted by symbol called alpha. Alpha is 30°. Okay. XY line and measures 45 mm. That is a front view length. This is front view length 45 mm called as FVL. So 1 to 2, 3 times you read the question and try to understand the meaning of the sentence and write the data accordingly. Okay. Alright. The NDA is 20 mm above HP. NDA is 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Is copied here. Draw the projections of the line and find the inclinations with HP and VP. That means they ask the true inclination of the line with the horizontal plane and vertical plane. True inclination with HP is theta and true inclination with VP will be phi is the notation. Both are angles is to be found out from the diagram or measured from the diagram which we are going to draw it now. So let me erase this question part. So these are the data given to the question. First we will draw the reference diagram on the side of your drawing sheet. So usually we will draw the reference line called as the X and Y. Okay. And we consider AB as the end of the line AB. That is, this is the point of location called A dash. Correspondingly, we will get the A in the top view like this. Okay. This is location of point A called above HP. Distance above HP. 20 mm is going to be we're going to take the measurement in the FAR diagram. This is a reference diagram. This is infinite distance of the point A that will come below the XY line. Then we used to draw one locus line passing through A and another locus line passing through A dash and A. Okay. So the front view is inclination. True inclination with HP is theta. This angle is theta. You have to draw vertical projector. This end point shall be marked as B1 dash. Okay. So you used to draw vertical projector from B1 dash downward. Understand? This line where it intersects with the locus line passing through A, this point shall be marked as, remaining lines you can erase it. B1 dash means corresponding will give letter B suffix 1. This is true inclination with HP that comes above the X line. Correspondingly, top view this is AB1. This is not final top view, is intermediate answer. This is the true length of the line AB1. A dash B1 dash, true length. Okay. Next we used to draw what is called as true inclination with VP that comes below the XY line. Okay, this angle is phi is the notation. So this is also to be true length of the line, whatever it is given in the question. The end point shall be marked as say B2. B suffix 2. Then from B2 draw a vertical projector upward where it intersects with the locus line passing through A dash is marked as B2 means this will be B2 dash. B2, B2 dash, B1, B1 dash. Okay, corresponding, these are usual notations followed. Then we used to draw locus line passing through B suffix 1 dash, B1 dash, horizontal locus line. Similarly, another locus line passing through B2. Okay. Then this next step is used to draw the taking A dash as reference, center of your compass, A B2 dash as radius, draw an arc upward. This arc where it intersects with this locus line shall be marked as B dash. Then join A dash and B dash will be the final, what is called as final front view that comes above the XY line. This will be the front view, what is called as final front view. A dash B dash is a final front view, and A as center, A B1 as radius, draw an arc downward. Okay, this arc where it intersects with the locus line passing through B2 shall be marked as B. Join A and point B by HB pencil. Okay, this is a final top view that comes below the XY line. Okay, next, what are the other notations to be noted in the reference diagram is the front view is A dash B dash. This angle with horizontal is called as alpha. Similarly, AB is a final top view. Its inclination with horizontal is denoted by the term called beta. Okay, and moreover, this is A dash B dash distance. It's called front view. The same distance will be there for A dash B2 dash also of uniform radius. So I can say this length is same as A dash B dash. Okay, this length will be same as A dash B dash, called the front view length. Similarly, AB is the top view we obtained. The same radius will be there for AB1. This distance is AB1 will be same as AB, A as center. So this distance can be noted as, this is top view, so this length AB1 will be top view length. Okay, yes, this is distance of A above HB. This is distance of A, point A in front of VP that comes below the XY line. So with this reference, we're going to draw the FAD diagram. So with this reference diagram on your drawing sheet, you can complete the FAD diagram. First, you draw the reference line called as XY line. Okay, so take your drafter scale and draw an horizontal line called as XY line, marked X and Y. Okay, next, the location of point A above HP is 20 mm. So using the vertical scale, draw a vertical line. Okay, this is distance above HP, this is distance of point A in front of VP, about point A. So mark the vertical height is given as 20 mm above HP. Above HP will always comes above the XY line. Let this point be marked as A dash. Similarly, this A is in front of VP is given as 25 mm. 25 mm is 2.5 centimeter. So in the same vertical line it will come. Is marked as A in the top view. Understand? Next, what is given? These distances are marked. Okay, 20 mm, 25 mm. So let us dimension this. Draw extension line from point A using the drafter scale. Here I cannot move the drafter scale. Horizontal line called extension line from point A and A dash. Draw a vertical line called dimension line parallel to A dash and A. Understand? Put a narrow arrowhead, shade the arrowhead, and you can write the distance on this dimension line. Okay, is given as a 20 mm. 20 mm is above HP. In front distance is 25 mm. Okay, this is point A, this is point A dash. Okay, next you take the front view length is given as 45 mm. This horizontal will be 45 mm, same as A dash B dash of a uniform radius. So draw locus line passing through point A dash. Locus line means horizontal line. Okay, parallel to XY. Okay, similarly parallel to A, you draw another locus line below the parallel to XY. Okay, these are the two lines. The front view length is given as 45 mm. Take 45 mm in your compass. Okay, keeping A as center, cut a arc on this locus line, cuts it here. This point of intersection shall be marked as B2. B2, yeah, B2 dash. So with this, this is front view length. With this as radius, draw an arc upward. Okay, so the upward arrow mark is drawn. So again repeat. A as center is this distance is front view length is given as 45 mm. So let us dimension this. So what are the data given in the question has to be dimensioned. Okay. So if you use draft scale, you will get the correct accuracy in the diagram. So draw parallel to the A dash B2 dash. This is second drawn line is a dimension line. Put it to narrow arrow, shade the arrow, and you can write 45. Center of the line above the line. It's called the front view length. This point is that is at the B2 dash. Draw an arc upward using compass with the A dash as center, A B2 as radius. So this arc, upward arc is drawn. So next this alpha is given as 30 degree. Take a protractor with A dash as center, A B2 as 0 degree horizontal. Keep a protractor like this, mark an angle of 30 degree, read like this 0, 10, 20, 30, put a point. Join the marked point with the A dash using HB pencil. HB or H pencil, this is one of the answer. So this length can be erased. Okay, this point of intersection will be same as this 45 mm is marked as B dash. This is one of the front view. It's called final front view is obtained. FV is the front view. Okay. So next you have to draw locus line passing through B1 dash. That is this is that line. Take your draft scale. Draw horizontal line called locus line passing through B dash. Okay. So next, what is the data given? We're going to consider is 70 mm true length. Take true length in your compass. Take true length in your compass. Cut a arc on this locus line. Cuts it here. Okay, this point shall be marked as B1 dash. That is a true length B1 dash. Join A dash and B1 dash. Is 70 mm is a true length. Okay, true length. This is a true length. Yes, TL. This point is B2 dash. Earlier we put a notation for this. Then you have to complete the projections comparing with this reference diagram. From B1 dash, draw a vertical projector. This is our B1 dash. Draw a vertical projector where it intersects with this locus line passing through A. We're going to mark it as B1. B1 dash means this letter, corresponding letter has to be provided called B suffix 1. Okay. This pi beta under not given in the question, but we know B dash. B dash we know, B1 dash we know. So this point is B2 dash. Okay, from B2 dash draw a horizontal vertical downward projector where it intersects with this true length is marked as B2 in the top view. Okay, so again repeat, from B2, this is B2 dash, from B2 dash draw a vertical projector downward where it intersects with the true length. True length we know as 70 mm is given in the question. Take the true length in your compass. This is also true length, A dash, B1 dash. Cut a arc with A as center on this true downward projectile. Cuts it here. This point of intersection shall be marked as B2 dash means B2. Okay. So draw a locus line passing through point B2. Locus line means horizontal line drawn by using lighter line, that is a 2H pencil line like this. Writing work shall be done by H or HB pencil. This is locus of B2, that is this set line. Okay, locus of B2. This is locus of B1 dash. Okay, next how we can complete the diagram. We know this is this length we know. With this as say A as center, cut a arc downward. Where it intersects with this locus line shall be marked as B in the top view. Take your compass. Take A B1 distance. Draw an arc downward. This arc where it intersects with the horizontal line shall be marked as, this point of intersection shall be marked as B. Join AB is the final top view obtained by HB pencil or H pencil appears to be dark. Okay, this is top view written as TV, and A B2 is already we marked. So let us join A and B2. Is the true length same as A dash B1 dash? Join A and B2. A B2 is the TL. TL stands for true length. Okay, its angle, its inclination with horizontal is called as phi. That it is asked in the question. True inclination with VP. Okay. Similarly, true inclination with HP is, it is a true length with the horizontal. This angle is theta. Theta is true inclination with HP, comes above the XY line, and phi is a true inclination with VP that comes below the XY line. Okay. You have to measure this angle. Take your protractor. Keep A dash as center of your protractor, and A, this horizontal line as 0 degree in your protractor. Measure the angle, read upward. 0, 10, 20, it comes to 18 degree. So theta is found as, true inclination with HP is 18 degree. Similarly, phi is a true inclination with VP. Turn your protractor, keep A dash as center of your protractor, AB1 as horizontal 0 degree. Measure this angle downward, it comes to 48 degree. Yeah, it's completed, looks correct. And we can put a box for your answer. And right side lower part, you can draw two guidelines and you can write all dimensions are in mm. Mm means millimeter is the unit followed. And let us dimension this true length. What is given as 70 mm, that is A dash B1 dash. Similarly, AB is also true length, AB2. So release your drafter scale, rotate in anti-clockwise, scale the release, keep it the longer scale edge over the line A dash B1 dash. Rotate in anti-clockwise, scale will be tightened and positioned like this. Draw extension line from point B1 dash using the shorter scale. Similarly, from A dash, draw extension line. Then you draw dimension line. You can draw it by drafter scale while drawing on the drawing sheet. Okay, parallel to A dash B1 dash. This line is drawn called the dimension line. You can dimension it. See, it is one of the data. Put two narrow arrows at both ends of the line and you can shade it. And write 70 true length. 70 center of the line above the line. This distance is same as this A dash B1 dash. It's a true length given in the question. And theta is true inclination with the HP. True inclination with VP is phi. Yes, completed, looks correct. And you can check whether our answer is right or not also. If you use a drafter scale. So keep the reset your drafter, rotate in anti-clockwise scale to release. Keep the longer edge of the scale over the XY line. Rotate in anti-clockwise scale will be positioned like this. If you draw a vertical line passing through B dash, if you draw a vertical line passing through B dash, it has to coincide with the point B in the top view. If it is coincides, your answer is right. Here I am drawing using marker board. Okay, it's an approximate diagram. Anyhow, we got the answer. If you draw a vertical projection from B, it has to coincide with B in the top view. Just by Fourier scale, if you join it, that is not correct. You have to use parallel to A dash and A. If you draw a vertical projectile from B dash, it has to coincide with B. Then your answer is right. Yeah, it looks correct. Thanks for listening. You have to see basic videos on introduction part, what is inclined to HP, inclined to VP. Why inclined to VP means that angle comes below the XY line. You have to listen to the previous videos, and if you see this concept procedure, you can be able to understand. And thanks for listening. Yes.